All right. This is Midwest Picker going on a woods walk. It is October 1, 2022. If you can believe it, in 2 days, gotta watch my step. In 2 days, it'll be the 1-year anniversary of us buying our new house. That is so exciting. So I'm going to show you the marsh, because last year at this time there was no water, and this summer, my last woods walk, I believe, there was a lot of water. We had ducks, cranes, all kinds of creatures out there. Well, now there's not. I gotta watch my step because my dog leaves landmines out here, and I gotta be careful where I go because we do have critters. We got a lot of snakes. I don't know about snapping turtles, but we got snakes. But for the sake of this video, I am going to venture. I gotta clean this place up. It is so bad. Got some, there's that pallet of bricks. But anyway, so what is that? There's an oil filter. What the heck? That's not me. So anyway, so here's the marsh. I don't know how to zoom on the GoPro, but you can see it is mud. There is no water left, not even a puddle. So the water has receded, as it does every fall. I would not recommend walking in there. Even if you had snowshoes on, you would be no more. So I would not recommend going out there. There's another view out there. Just black mud, very fertile mud. But in that mud, there is hibernating turtles and frogs, maybe toads. And you animal experts can tell me what else, salamanders, what else hibernates deep in that mud. I know turtles for sure. But let's go walk over here. All right, so we're in the back, probably halfway through the property. There's the house. There's my shed. There's a chicken coop I'm giving away for free because I don't use it. I call this the back 40, but it's not actually. So this is my compost pile. I know, it's so exciting, isn't it? Everybody wants to see a compost pile. So this is my grass clippings, and in the fall my leaves go back here. Gets rained on. Probably when it decomposes, provides heat for little critters. I have no idea. I gotta get a pitchfork and flip it around and flip it over though, because it won't compost unless you do that. But one thing people ask me all the time is, Dave, you must have 1 million mosquitoes. And I don't. I don't have. I've been bitten one time this entire year. So some of my secrets, I use mosquito dunks. Maybe I'll put a picture of that up. I throw like 30 of those in this marsh. And then I have a mosquito trap on my back porch, which is just a light with a fan. And it sucks the mosquitoes in, and they get trapped in this little basket. It's not a bug zapper because that kills all the beneficial insects. It's just a mosquito trap. So between that, oh, there's a duck. So between that and the dunks, no mosquitoes. So that's the pond out there. Yeah. I gotta learn how to zoom because I should have used my phone. Maybe a duck just went by. So there's the pond. It'll freeze over in a couple months. So that's the woods walk, guys. Just a quick short video to show you that the water does disappear over here. I guess that's the definition of a marsh that has water part of the year and no water the other part. That's the difference between that and a swamp. I had to Google that, look up Wikipedia. Oh, there's a little birdie. So yeah, it's very beautiful out today. It's 70 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a Saturday. It would be really cool if like a giant owl would fly over. We do have these big horned owls, I think, or barn owls, something. You catch them every once in a while flying through here. But yeah, very, very quiet. These are all, if you're wondering, these are mostly maple trees. Sometimes called swamp maple. There might be a different variety here and there. But for now, there's a couple dead trees. So for now, that's what we have. I'm going to try to get some trees from my in-laws. They have hundreds of acres, and I'm going to get maybe a chestnut tree, tulip tree, maybe a red pine, and transplant those here on the property. maybe take out some of these swamp maples. I don't know. But I do need to find a location. That's a big tree right there. I do need to find a location for a pole barn. Here's an old burn pit or burn pile previous owner used. So yeah, I don't know where to put the pole barn. I want like a 40 by 60 pole barn. I could, I suppose, take out some of these trees, put in like 50 yards of soil, level it out, raise it up about 3 feet above ground, and put it right here. I don't know. I don't want to put it over here because this is where the dog plays and the kids play and all that, and I don't know. If I own this over here, I might as well use it. So there's some black-eyed Susans, I think. I think that's what those are. But you can see the trash I talked about on the last woods walk. There's pressure-treated lumber, blocks of cement. Unfortunately, previous owners used this as a dump. So when all of this dies off, all the green leaves fall, you can see all of it. I'm gonna have to rent a dumpster and clean out all the junk. There's a free doghouse, vintage 1970s, and needs a little work. Near mint condition. I'm gonna give it away, throw it away. I don't know. There's an old compost pile. I put that in there. And then Mrs. Midwest said, you need to move out further. I don't want to look at that, so I moved it out further. And every time I mow the lawn, I see at least 10 frogs jumping out of my way. I don't know what this story is. This was a big, big tree. They either cut it down or it fell down. I don't know. I think it's a stump. I don't think it's just a piece of wood. But it's big. And this is the tree house. Used to be a deer blind, if you didn't watch my previous videos. The previous owner turned this deer blind into a tree house for the kids. It's got like a net access to the top. That's why I've never been in there, because I can't get my big fat butt up there. It has solar powered light, so at night they come on, and it also is wired for electricity, so I can plug in an extension cord and it has inside outside lights. It's pretty cool. Big log right there. So yeah, that's the wood walk, guys. Probably the next woods walk I do will be in the fall when all these leaves turn yellow, orange, and red, which is beautiful. So thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you know anybody that loves nature videos like this, hit that share button. That really helps me grow the channel. Till next time, see ya.